So hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So let's clean these green peas together. So these versions are the ones I've cleaned, these versions are the ones I've cleaned, and these versions are the one I'm here to clean. So you can see the sharp edge, right? And see, this one is clean already. Look at the edge. I've cut out the sharp edge. So, and this was the dirt I got out of it after cleaning it, or while cleaning. Look at it. Is a tiny long rope kind of. So if you don't clean it, if you don't cut it out, it will not give you it won't give you a good texture while eating it. It will look sharp while eating. So this is the simple way to clean it. Pick your knife, pick one, then you cut through. Be careful not to cut through till the end. Then you now lift it up. This one does not have any dirt, so that's why it just went off like that. So we repeat the same process for the other head. So this one has a little. So look at what I was able to get out of it. Let me try again. Probably I'll be able to get this one. Okay, this other side is perfectly clean. So we'll repeat the same process again. See, we cut out the, see, it's just tiny here. Look at it here. Let's repeat the same process here. Just tiny as well. So repeat the same process until you exhaust, until you are done cleaning all the green beans you have. So look at it. It's pretty easy. It is pretty easy. You cut it out. So this one is even already coming off itself. Look at it. So I'll just lift it up and just remove it. And the same thing, I repeat the same thing here. You just cut a little, then lift it up. It will come out easily. It's not stressful. It's not something difficult. Cut, lift, cut, lift. Remember, cut and lift, cut, lift, cut, lift, cut, lift. So look at this place is getting bad already. So you can just easily cut it out, or you just chop out this end. You see, it still has some. Then just cut out this end. You see, it's really not bad till the inner part. Look at it. Look at, we have our beans. It's very clean. Look at the other side. See, it's very clean. Nothing. It hasn't affected the whole part of the beans. So I hope you learned something from this clean with me tutorial. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again, do well to check my channel for other exciting and interesting content that would help your cooking journey to be easy. My name is Ruth Anuoluwapo. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, share with your loved ones. Bye for now.